Hi Vidu, happy birthday.
Hey Purnima, happy birthday.
I know this is going to be really awkward for you as well as maybe over for you, but yes, we have something really special for you.
Okay, let me tell you, Purnima, that she has given zero efforts in making this video. If you are going to see this entire video, she has zero efforts into it.
Okay.
Okay, I think Aranta will start talking about Purnima.
This is going to be really awkward, but yes, since it's Purnima's birthday, it has to be really dramatic as well as sophisticated. So, yes,
As well as Izzat.
basic.
Basic. Okay.
So, I love you is because you have been hitting me, killing me since my childhood, ripping me off, and
I agree.
it's like since childhood till now you have done all my shopping not because it suits me or like maybe I like it, because you like it. So yes, I love you for this, and yes, that's it. Your turn.
Okay. So to start with, let me tell you one thing. You are better than her because it's your birthday today. Okay. I think you are my wardrobe decider, my beauty decider. I can't shop anything without you. Even if I like anything, I cannot take it. I cannot buy it because you didn't like it. I think she agrees. So, you play a very important role, and I feel really very incomplete if your opinion is not involved into my, any decisions.
So there are a lot many well wishes and surprises waiting for you. So we will just wind up our part, and in your style, happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday, Pooh!
Pooh.
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए हो गए हो गए हो गए हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज पिजामा
Happy birthday, Purni. May God bless you. Love you too. या वर्षी कपडे जरा कमी घे, मोबाईलवर जरा कमी बोल. बाय.
आणि
लवकर लवकर झोप 12 वाजेच्या आत.
हॅपी डे.
हॅपी बर्थडे ताई. हॅपी बर्थडे ताई.
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए हो गए हो गए हो गए हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे
बर्थडे है भाई बर्थडे है तेरे भाई का बर्थडे है
कैंडल्स बुझ गई
अब सब में केक बट्टे है चिक्स सारी हॉट यहाँ पे कैंप सारे ठंडे हैं टेस्ट ले लिया पूरे साल
आज तो मेरा बर्थडे है
सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे जोर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे आवाज नहीं आ रही हैप्पी बर्थडे लाउड बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे फिर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे
आज लगेंगे तुझ पे सट्टे नाच पिजामा पकड़ के कट्टे
विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे पौर्णिमा बेटा. ओ लेरिना कसली भन्नाट दिसते. बॅग घ्या और वो एरोप्लेनवाली गर्ल आरंता. आठवतं आहे सगळं काय आठवतं आहे. कांजूर मार्गचे आपले सगळे ते आल्यानंतर मामाला कापणं तुमचं सगळं आठवतं आहे. एन्जॉय. हे दिवस पण जातील. लवकरच आपण पुन्हा भेटूया. आणि आता सध्याची लेटेस्ट आपली भेट जेव्हा आपण त्या गोरगरिबांना कुरकुरे आणि मेलडी देत होतो तेव्हा अचानक भाग्याकडून मेलडी पडली आणि ती गरीब बिचारी माझ्याकडे बघायला लागली. भाग्या नाही, ती जी भिका मागत होती ती, आणि बोले ए बाबा दे ना बाबा. तेव्हा तिला मी दिलं. आणि नंतर ज्यूस प्यायला गेलो तेव्हा हे बाबा थोडा मिठाई कर ना, वॉटरमेलन ज्यूस. अरे कसल्या त्या पाणीपुऱ्या, एवढ्या पाणीपुऱ्या कधी असतात काय, कचोऱ्या वाटत होत्या त्या. एनिवे एन्जॉय. परत एकदा भेटू आपण लवकरच. हे लॉकडाऊन एकदा निपुटात येऊ दे, सगळं काय भेटू आपण. चलो एन्जॉय, टेक केअर, हॅपी बर्थडे वन्स अगेन. थँक्यू. हाय, विश यू मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे पूर्णिमा बेटा. हो लॅरिना, सुनो ना. लॉकडाउन क्रिटिकल. जोर से बोलो अय्यप्पा. कसं काय होणार. मला अजूनही आठवतं आपण जेव्हा मंदिरात जात होतो, ज्यूस प्यायला जात होतो, तेव्हा त्या भिकाऱ्यांना म्हणजे गोरगरिबांना आपण जेव्हा पैसे देत होतो आणि फूड देत होतो, मेलेडी, तेव्हा बॅग्याकडून मेलेडी पडली. ती छोटी पोरगी मलाच बघून बोलायला लागली, ए बाबा दे ना, मेरे को दे ना. एनिवे वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. जर हे कोरोना लॉकडाऊन नसतं तर नक्की आलो असतो तिकडे आणि एन्जॉय केला असता. एन्जॉय. बाय बाय, टेक केअर.
पार्टी तो कभी से शुरू हुई है,
पर भाई मेरी तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है.
मैं तू मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स. क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए हो गए हो गए हो गए हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे. हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे. आज पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे. हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे. आज तो पार्टी जम.
Happy birthday to you dear Raj Ratan. Happy birthday to you dear. बधाई हो लाखों जन्म, जन्मदिन आता रहे बार बार. सो हे आपलं पेटंट सॉन्ग आहे. यू ऑल्सो नो दिस पू. आणि ह्याच्यानंतरच आपलं बर्थडे विश सुरू होतं. विदाऊट दिस सॉन्ग आपला बर्थडे इनकम्प्लीट असतो. तुझा, माझा, भाग्याचा, आरूचा, आपल्या सगळ्यांचा. सो विश यू मेनी 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 हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे पू. लॉट्स ऑफ लव्ह, लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स. आणि आता आपल्या स्टाईलने गाणार आहे. हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू, हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू. टॉ मावशींचं. हॅपी बर्थडे डिअर पू, हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू. सो बचपन से पचपन तक आपण एक साथच आपला बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करणार आहोत. आपण जवळजवळ 20-22 वर्ष एक साथ आपला बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करतोय. आणि नक्कीच तू माझ्या बड्डेला, मी तुझ्या बड्डेला, आपण नेहमी एकत्र असतो. बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना आता आपण नाही आहोत. बट स्टील आपले विशेस विशेस आपले एकमेकांसोबत आहेत. बेस्ट विशेस आपले एकमेकांसोबत आहेत. आणि प्लस तुला खूप साऱ्या शुभेच्छा आहेत तुझ्या बड्डेसाठी. आणि अशीच मोठी होत जा. आणि असेच आपल्याला बड्डे आपले एकसाथ सेलिब्रेट करायचे आहेत. आपल्याला गॉसिपिंग करायची आहे एकसाथ. मग ती बॉईजची असू दे, कोणाची बिचिंग असू दे, किंवा एंटरटेनमेंट असू दे, किंवा कपड्यांविषयी असू दे, असेच आपण करत राहणार आहोत. सो लॉट्स ऑफ लव्ह अँड लॉट्स ऑफ बेस्ट wishes for you. Wish you a many happy returns of the day. I know it's your 25th birthday, so it's your birthday.
दीदी आपण लॉकडाऊन संपलं आता पार्टी करूया. मी मोठं होईन तर तुला ड्रेस घेईन. हॅपी बर्थडे पूर्णिमा दीदी, तुम्हाला लय आवडते. आय मिस यू. बर्थडे दीदी, आज रात्री आपण पार्टी करू.
बड्डे पूनम दीदी, लॉकडाऊनमुळे तुझा बड्डे सेलिब्रेट करायला नाही मिळाला. लॉकडाऊन संपल्यावर आपण तुझा बड्डे सेलिब्रेट करूया. मिस यू पूनम दीदी.
बर्थडे पूर्णिमा, विश यू मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. लॉकडाऊन संपल्यानंतर आपण तुझा बड्डे खूप छान सेलिब्रेट करूया, मस्त मज्जा करूया. विश यू मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
हॅपी बर्थडे पूर्णिमा दीदी. आय लव्ह यू दीदी.
हाय पौर्णिमा, वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. हा वर्ष असा आला आहे की तुझा बड्डे सेलिब्रेट नाही करू शकत, पण काळजी करू नको. लॉकडाऊननंतर आपण तुझा बड्डे चांगला मोठ्या पद्धतीने सेलिब्रेट करू. घरी राहा, बी हॅपी, बी सेफ.
हॅपी बर्थडे पूर्णिमा. Hello Purnima, wishing you a many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, bye.
पूनम वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक 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 शुभेच्छा तुला.
पूनम तुला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Happy birthday Poonam Didi.
Hi babe, happy 25th birthday, and for all who don't know who I am, I'm Larina. I'm her best friend in school, and we have learned a lot of things together like sports, football, let's say football, swimming, volleyball. We have gone to very different football matches, state level. We have gone to Priyadarshini. Lot of memories we have shared together, and I don't know, we have had a lot of memories right from school till from college right now. And the one thing I would like to share about Purnima is that she's the only one who will be constant at your not say tough times, but she'll always be the one who will be there. Like, you can rely on her for anything. Like, for example, in my instance, I've had a lot of ups and downs, and she's the only person who has been constant in my life during my down times, so like, she's one of the few people who you can rely on, and I'm really lucky and fortunate to have her as my best friend. And she just gets happy with small things. You just need to be there for her. You have to listen to her gossip, okay? You have to be patient. You have to be interesting. Like, you need to be filmy like her, dramatic like her, romantic like her, and you need to be like you need to live with her in a fairyland, and I'll tell you an instant of how dramatic she was. For my 25th birthday, we both went to Aqua Magica, and there was a slide which was 180 degree, and it was just like a drop, okay? And we both looked at that slide, and trust me, we both were very petrified, and we were like, how are we going to manage that slide? But Purnima, being Purnima, she literally put up an act that she's a heart patient, and she can't really take all this stress and trauma, and she literally convinced the people around her that she's a heart patient, and she got rid of it. And I'm not the one getting saved, so we had to go in the slide. And once we all came back from the slide, we are searching, where is this girl? Go to see where she is. She's playing with the kids in the kid pool on the tube. So that's her. She can bring a smile at any time, like, you just need to just talk to her whenever you're down, whenever you're depressed, whenever you're low. Just call her. She's a very good mood changer. So yeah, we have had a lot of memories, from school. We have had our sports memories, then our Lion King memories, then our college memories, our bike memories, our shopping memories. Then she's a good she can bargain very well, like, if you want to go anywhere for shopping, Purnima is the one to approach, and she is such a she will not, like, she will look at you and she can tell you which style will suit you as well, she's a very good advisor, like, when it comes to style and fashion and all. So that all fascinates her. So yeah, long story short, she's like a complete entertainer, like a complete package. So if you know her in depth, and if you have lived with her, what kind of a warm, loving, caring, very passionate she is, whatever she does, and you just need to tell her, Purnima, see, मुझे ना कुछ ये चाहिए, मुझे ये सामान तू ला के देगी क्या? 5 minutes, if she's not there, you just change my name, you know. She's such a person. Where whatever you want, she'll go, irrespective of thinking how the situation's outside. She will not think. She will be there at your doorstep at whatever time possible. I personally am saying, based on my experience. So she is the best person anybody can have, you know. So that's what I wanted to say, that stay in touch, and I hope we see different phases of life together, and we share a lot more memories. And I would want you by my side at the age of 100 and saying, babe, सुना है क्या क्या स्टोरी पता है क्या, मेरे को कुछ तो बोलना है, रुक रुक मैं हियरिंग एड लेके आती हूँ. So that's what I expect in our friendship. And yeah, once again, happy 25th birthday, and may your coming years be filled with lots of love, happiness, and immense success. Enjoy. Bye.
Hey, hi Purnima, happy birthday. Stay happy, stay blessed. Hope this year, like 2020 is not gone good for any one of us. And when you are sharing a quarantine birthday with me, kind of a quarantine birthday. My birthday at least came during 100% lockdown. You still have a radius of 2 kilometers to roam. जा 2 किलोमीटर घूम ले, ऐश कर ले, आज तेरा बर्थडे है.
Hey Purnima, wishing you a very 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 happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Mwah. Love you.
Hi Purnima, happy birthday. Stanley.
Happy birthday Purnima Patel.
So Stanley, what do you like about Purnima?
पूर्णिमा सब कुछ ही अच्छा लगता है रे. तेरे को क्या अच्छा लगता है?
मेरे को यार बहुत हॉट है वो, और इतनी ब्रेव है ना, बहुत मजा आता है उसके साथ, कसम से.
ब्रेव की भूत लोग से भी नहीं डरती है.
नहीं.
चल मजे कर पाटिल.
चल यार, जल्दी मिलते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं. Okay then. Have an amazing year, Purnima. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day. May you grow wiser, stronger, a better version of yourself every day. Attaching a pic of a memory that we spent together. A beautiful memory. I cannot believe I did not visit this place before, but it was beautiful, yeah. Love and hugs. Have a great day.
Hey Purnima, wish you many many happy returns of the day. I miss you so much. May God bless you with a lot of success. And the one thing I really miss, yaar, I miss our gossips. I don't know this lockdown when it's gonna end, but I love you so much. Love, love.
Happy birthday Purnima didi.
Happy birthday, Purnima.
Hey, hi birthday girl, many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the success and happiness in life. अब तो काफ़ी बड़ी हो गई है, तो एटलीस्ट अभी मुझ से डरना बंद कर दे. देख, वीडियो के पीछे बहुत मेहनत की है, तो ट्रीट पक्का मत भूलना. बाय बाय.
Birthday Purnima Didi. Enjoy your quarantine birthday. Happy birthday to my hairstyle partner forever. I have so many memories with you and they all are great. We love you. We miss you.
Hey PP, happy birthday. Wish all your dreams come true and God bless you with all happiness and success. Stay blessed, stay fit. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Purnima. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Canada return.
Hello beautiful. Wishing you a happiest 25th birthday. एक्झॅक्टली. आता जशी तुझ्या फेसवरती स्माईल आहे ना, तशीच तू लाईफ टाईम ठेव आणि नेहमी अशीच हसत खेळत राहा, नेहमी आनंदात राहा. स्टे सेफ, स्टे स्ट्रॉंग, स्टे क्रेझी, स्टे हॅपीएस्ट, स्टे फॅब्युलस, स्टे ॲज यू आर. लव यू.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, post. I know it's not the right time to celebrate right now in Mumbai, but once things get back to normal, I'll come back to Mumbai and we'll have a blast. Also today we have completed 2 years of our friendship, so cheers to that. I love you and I miss you a lot.
Hi, I wish you a very, very, very happy birthday to you. May you live a long and all happiness and success is only for you because you are a very special girl. And I want to say thanks to God and especially to your mom because they given me such a friend like you, and you are very sweetheart friend of mine. And I just want to wish that you live a long and all happiness and success will only for you because you always deserve a best and always keep a smiling. So wish you a very, very, very happy birthday to you.
Hi, this is to inform you that it is your birthday. Surprised? Yeah, me too. Everybody loves surprises. Anyways, jokes aside, happy birthday Pur, and I wish you all the very best. देख मैं जय जैसा स्पीच तो नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि उसका स्पीच बहुत ही एपिक है, but yeah, I wish you all the best for your future and hopefully a present. And yeah, just always stay happy. You mean a lot to me, and I hope that we be in each other's lives for forever, whatever. But yeah, and happy birthday once again. And skip level haircut है यार, पता है, but क्या ही कर सकते हैं. But ठीक है, काट देंगे यार क्योंकि अपना कटता ही है.
Hey Purnima, what's up? Wishing you many, many happy returns of the day. On this special day, Purnima, I really wish you achieve all the things which you want to achieve in this life, and forget about the past and think forward because the best things are still yet to come, like I always say. But the last, not the least, Purnima, you really deserve the best and nothing less. And say cheers to your life, and cheers yours not only to me, to you, and to the entire family. Stay blessed and happy birthday to you once again. I am, feeling very lucky and very special to have you as my friend. I hope your birthday is as special as you are. May your all wishes and dreams come true, Purnima. And thank you so much for being such a great person. And you have been such an amazing person. I have not seen someone who is like you, who is so much of caring, जो अपने दोस्तों का इतना ध्यान रखता हो. And Purnima, and I'm feeling very sad that this time we are not partying together. I know you love to party, but yes, definitely we will party together because we have many days post lockdown. We will meet and we will definitely talk and party together. Yeah, and Purnima, और एक बंदा है जो तुझे विश करना चाहता है, छुपके से बैठा है और सब कुछ सुन रहा है लेकिन कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है, बहुत शर्मा रही है. So wish her a happy birthday. So Purnima, enjoy your quarantine birthday.
Hi Purnima, wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed and enjoy your day.
Birthday, my drama queen. I know this year no one could foresee that it would be so horrible for everyone with the lockdown. However, once the lockdown is over, let's all meet and let's party. I think it's enough of staying in the house that everyone's had. Enjoy your day, drama queen. Love you. Bye.
Hi Purnima! Many happy returns of the day, my dear. How are you doing? I'll sing a song for you. गर्मी तुझ में कितनी है, रोटी खाती किस आटे की, हाथ लगाओ देखे ऐसे जैसे काटेगी ये लड़की. पागल है रे पागल है रे पागल है रे पागल है, लड़की पागल है रे पागल है रे पागल है रे पागल है. Many happy returns of the day.
Hi Purnima, this is me Rani here. Would like to dedicate a song to you on behalf of these two and of course me too. चांद तारे तोड़ना सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। शान से रहूं सदा, मुझ पे लोग हो फिदा, हसीनाएं भी दिल हो खोती। दिल का ये कवल खिले, सोने का महल मिले, बरसने लगे हीरे मोती। हाँ मान जाए खुदा, इतनी सी है दुआ, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं मांगता, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं मांगता। मेरे आगे मेरे पीछे लोग भागे, दुनिया दौड़े, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। I wish you get all the things that I actually said in the song. So wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. Bye.